Okay, students, let us continue with the last question where the last class ended. I think we are in question number 9. So let us continue with that question, question number 9. Which is greater in each of the following? Question is, which is greater in each of the following? Okay. Okay. So first part, 2/3 and 5/12. It's very easy. As I told, make the DRs will be same. So 2 is multiplied with this number, 2/3, then 2/2, comma 5/2 is multiplied with this number. That is 3/3. Actually, in this question, usually you will get this is improper, this is improper, this is proper. So always improper fraction or improper rational number is always greater than the proper fraction. Okay. That means if we comparing, not always you cannot say, always you cannot say, but in this is improper, this is proper, so this one always greater than. Okay, means this is improper, this is proper. For this question, this 5/2 will be greater than 2/3, right? So, or if you will solve this question, or how you will get this one is greater, so you will solve here 4/6 and 15/6. It is clearly this one is greater. So 2/3 is less than 5/2. You will write this way. Okay. Or 5/2 is greater than 2/3. You will write this. But you will read this one, 2/3 is less than 5/2, not greater than. यहाँ पर आप रीड नहीं करोगे 5/2 is greater than 2/3. No, क्योंकि लेसर का साइन है. So you have to read 2/3 less than 5/2, or here you will read 5/2 is greater than 2/3. Only the reading skill is important, is different here, but the things will be same, right? In second part will be there -5/6 and -4/3. So if you will multiply here, now look, this is 6. Easily if you multiply by 2, it will be, the denominators will be same. So 5/6 minus 8/6. So sometimes not no need to multiply both the numbers. If the prime numbers will be there, then you will multiply, cross multiply. If easily we will get the denominators will be same, then no need to do multiplication of this one to this, because it was time taking. Okay. So now here it clearly this one is bigger than. That means -5/6 is greater than -8/6, right? So this way you will solve third question also. Wait, I will try to solve it. -3/4, comma 2/-3. So firstly, you need to write in a standard form, -2/3, and then multiply, because they are prime numbers. Not prime numbers, but they are not divisible to each other. Okay, 4 is not a prime, 3 is prime, but they are not divisible. Okay, so -3/4 into 3, comma -2/3 means when the denominators will not divisible to each other, then you will cross multiply to the of the DRs with the respective numbers. 4/4. So that is, you will get -9/12. -8/12. Clearly this one is bigger than that, will be -2/3 is -2/3 is greater than -3/4. So you will write here -3/4 is lesser than 2/3. Okay, this will be you read, this will mean this one is lesser than this one, you can say. 2/3 is greater than minus 2 upon 3. Okay. Okay, so let us move on to the fourth part. Let us move on to the fourth part. Okay. Fourth part, that is minus 1 upon 4, comma 1 upon 4. It is clearly this one is greater. So no need to discuss this one. Positive number is always greater than to the negative numbers. Okay. So minus 3 whole 2 upon 7 and minus 3 whole 4 upon 5. Okay. So you will simplify this one. Minus 3. Okay. Okay. So 7 here 21, 23, 17 with the negative sign, and 5 here 15, 4, 19 upon 5 negative sign. Now we will make the denominators will be same, 23 upon 7 to 5 upon 5 and minus 19 into 5 into 7 upon 7, right? Okay, so this will gives you 5 CR 15, 1 carry, 5 to 10, 1 11 upon 35 minus sign and okay, and this one 7 9 7s are 63, 3 will be there, 6 carry, and 7 ones are 7 and 6 13 minus 133 upon 7 5 are 35. Clearly this one is greater than to this one. This implies that minus 3 whole 2 upon 7 is greater than minus 3 whole 4 upon 5. This is the process, actually process, then that you will get the numbers correct format or correct numbers, which one is greater, which one is smaller. Question number 10. Write the following rational number in ascending order. Write the number in a ascending just to give. Okay, sorry for disturbance. First part, minus 3 upon 5, minus 2 upon 5, minus 1 upon 5. So first thing, if very clearly, if denominators will be same, then there is no problem. Right, only focus on the numerator. If the denominators will be same, focus only on numerator. Okay. If the denominators will not same, make the denominators will same with the earlier process that we have done in this chapter. Right. So let us go ahead. Only focus on numerator. Which one is bigger? Minus 1 is bigger to the minus 2 and minus 2 is bigger to the minus 3. That means these numbers are already in ascending order. This is smallest and this is most smallest, means most greater, minus 1 upon 5. Means the in first question already numbers is written in ascending order, but in second number it is not always enough. So let us keep it out, move on, minus 1 upon 3, minus 2 upon 9 and minus 4 upon 3. So as I told, firstly we have to make the denominators will be same. So that means there will be 9. So we have to multiply, this one will be 3 by 3 and this one also 3 by 3. Okay, so make the denominators will be same. Okay, so minus 3 upon 9, minus 2 upon 9 and minus 12 upon 9. Now you can see which one is most smallest? This one is most smallest, that is minus 12 mole. सबसे छोटा कौन सा है? minus 12/9, then minus 3/9, then minus 2/9. ये आपका सबसे बड़ा है इन दोनों से. Okay, in ascending order we I hope everyone know that it's smallest to greatest, right? S to G, smaller to greater. Third part, the last question of this exercise, minus 3/7, minus 3/2, minus 3/4. So let us try to solve or try to make the denominators will be same. So we have to find the LCM of these numbers now, actually. So LCM as I'm trying to find LCM, that is 14 is the LCM of, no, not a 14. 7 4 28 is the LCM, right? So 7 1 comma 1 comma 1. So LCM will be 28. So write down whatever the LCM you will get, write down or don't write in this way. Now which number should to get 28 in the denominators? That means simply 4. 4 7 4 28. Minus 3/2, you have to multiply by 14, right? And minus 3/4, you have to multiply by 7. Okay, right? So 4 3 12/28 minus 42/28 and minus 21/28. Now easily you will see which one is the smallest one. This one is the smallest. Now you will write an ascending order, this one in this way, ascending order, that is minus 42/28 less than minus 21/28 less than minus 12/28. Or you cannot write the answer in this way, you will have to write answer in this way. So here you will also change the in this question, that is minus 12/9, that is minus 4/3, and minus 3/9, that means minus 1/3, and minus 2/9. I think here we have it is already given written. So here 42/28 will be coming of which number? That is minus 3/2. 21/28 minus 3/4, and this one minus 3/7. This will the answer in ascending order. This is the answer in ascending order. Okay, these are the answer in ascending order. In this way, the exercise 9.1 solved. I hope everyone you get this concept of exercise means solutions of the question of different types, how to find the greater lesser, ascending descending. Okay, how to represent the rational number in number line, or how to get the numbers from the number line. Okay, right? So these are the concept in this exercise we have discussed, and how to find the rational number between the given two rational numbers. With the means how to find equivalent rational number, right? So all the concept it's clear, please. Okay, and if any doubts, write in comment box. I will try to give you answer on time. Okay, so from here, bye bye. Let us try to not we will not do, we will discuss the next concept or next exercise 9.2 in the next video. Okay, so from here, bye bye, take care, see you on video.